This is the new item that will be replaced on my bike. So this is the entire switchgear kit. This is the old one. This is the new one. If you see, this button is not working. It does not have the tactile feel. Whereas the new one, I am able to press it. This is where the difference is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is 26th of October and I am taking my RS457 to the Motoplex dealership here in Hyderabad because as you guys already know, my pass switch is not working. So the headlight switch where it goes up and down like high beam and low beam, that is working, but the pass switch is not working. So I already informed them like a month ago and I got a call from them saying that the switch is ready to be replaced and they have received that part in the showroom. So they called me to get it replaced under warranty. So let me show you what is the actual problem in this bike. This is the high beam and low beam switch. At this position, the light is at low beam. When I push it outside, it goes to the high beam. But when I want to pull it inside in order to take the pass button, this is not working. This should be a spring action button, but it feels like if I press more, it will break, but it is not going inside. So kind of it is stuck. It is going on normal position and high beam position, but it is not going on the pass position. So in order to fix this, they will have to replace this entire assembly, and for that I am going to the service center. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Right now the time is 2:42 p.m. in the afternoon. They asked me to come before 4 p.m. because they have to handle a lot of deliveries in the evening, so they won't be able to find much time. That's why I'm going in the afternoon, because today it's a Saturday. It's my week off. I don't have any other work, so I'm going now. But the major challenge is to take out this beast outside from this place. So I have shown this earlier, but few of the folks, they were still commenting, we want to see how you take out this bike from this tight parking space. So I'm going to show that to you, how I take this bike out. I have to go front and back multiple times in order to align this bike, and then pull it from the behind to the left like this using the grab rail, and then take it out in reverse while holding the rear brakes. Because my house is literally 3 feet above the ground level, so it takes some effort to take it outside. I gave it a nice wash today morning, because since the time it was serviced 2 weeks ago, I did not get it washed. I was just riding it to office. And let me show you the kilometer readings of this bike. So it has done 12,868 kilometers, so 868 kilometers in last 2 weeks. But the best thing that I like is the tank pads and the side decals. Whoever sees my bike, like all my friends, they literally went gaga looking at this tank pad and the side decal, because it really looks cool. It adds to the aesthetics of the bike. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, because it's the weekend before Diwali, I'm expecting a lot of traffic on the way, and the showroom is like around 15 to 18 kilometers away from my place. But because it is afternoon, I think the traffic should be a little less, but I'm sure while returning the traffic would be very heavy. This pass switch I was talking about, right? So high beam, you can see this symbol, it flashes over here, and it is in low beam it does not flash anything. But I try to press it inside, the flasher also does not work, even the switch does not work. So it's been more than a month that I am facing this issue, and I got to know from my subscribers in the comment section that even they are facing this issue, which means that Aprilia should really work on fixing the switchgear quality on the bike. The light switch stopped working in just 6 months. That is not something we expect from a company like Aprilia, and when they launch a product which costs around 5 lakhs on road, I think they should really work on the switchgear quality. Because I have owned a KTM Duke 390 for the last 6 years, and I rode it for around 70,000 kilometers. That bike never gave me issues with respect to the switch quality, and Aprilia is supposed to have better quality than KTM's, so of course they will need to work on this switchgear quality. Even the new KTM Dukes, the switch gears are very nice and it's very premium. It looks like it is taken out straight from the Super Duke. It is that good. But whereas on this bike, the quality is not at the expected level. It feels like a commuter motorcycle when I look at these switch gears and these arrow buttons also. The tactile feel is not that premium. If someone from Aprilia is watching this video, I again request you guys to really take a look at the switchgear quality and fix it in the upcoming generations of the RS457. These are very small things which can be added to an already existing wonderful motorcycle. So it has a good engine, it has good reliability. I didn't face any other issue on this bike, but the switchgear, it is compromised. I'm about to reach the showroom in next 2 minutes. I've reached the Motoplex Hyderabad showroom. Seems like there are a lot of vehicles today. This is the new item that will be replaced on my bike. So this is the entire switchgear kit. This is the old one, this is the new one, and it is getting replaced under warranty. So they'll have to open this one and then also open the left side panel of this bike in order to plug in this coupler. It has 2 points to it and both of them will be connected inside. So first removing the high windscreen. If you see, this button is not working. It does not have the tactile feel. Whereas the new one, I am able to press it. This is where the difference is. This is the old switch that has been removed from here. The new switch is installed, but the wiring is still left. You can see the wire is still hanging outside, need to be plugged inside. But yeah, the fast switch is working perfectly. The new switch is installed and it is temporarily connected to the TFT. I just wanted to check it. I'm pressing this and you can see the flashlight going up and down. That means that the switch is working perfectly fine. Now the fitting and everything is done. This is what I wanted. And all thanks to Premier Automobiles that they have replaced it under warranty, and thanks to the technician Gangadhar, he has been really great with all the fitments and he has good patience on my bike. He has done the job absolutely the way it has to be. So yeah, that's it about this video, and if you liked it, do hit that like button and also post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.